If we had not locked down South Africa as we have, I can tell you without any shadow of doubt that the infection rate in South Africa would have been a lot higher.
Umongameli Cyril Ramaphosa uthi inkqubo yokuphonononga ifuthe lokumiswa ngxi kweentshukumo izakwenziwa kwezintsuku zimbalwa zizayo. Isixeko saseRhawutini sikhuphe isilumkiso sokuba nabani na ofunyaniswe ethengisa ngaphandle kwepermit uzakujongana nengalo yomthetho.
Kwaba kuhlungu ngempela uma ngabe sizwa i-tuition ikhanselwa okwabanzima kakhulu futhi ukuthi mhlambe nabangabheki nje isimbo fanele basho nje ukuthi ayikhansela kodwa ke phela singathini ama-race organizers abheka ngendlela abheka ngakhona.
Zizakuvala izivubeko zentsholongwane ye-corona kuninzi lwabadlali behlabathi njengokuba kuvaleke amathuba.